Record an issue of this fish sound today. How did you set it up? First of all, we launched the software. The necessary steps need to be taken. The first one is the model. We according to our model. Like my car is Depot S07. Then I choose Depot Auto. Okay, it's ticked here. The second sentence. You just need to grant it a red_log permission. Use some ADB tools to grant. You can watch my previous video for this. The third step is to activate the software. The new version adds one of this and this QR code. QR code. We can scan the code directly for you to purchase. You will get an order number after purchasing this. It is more troublesome to enter the order number here. So we scan the QR code through our mobile phone. We turn on this scanning tool for your phone. We scan this QR code, then jump to this interface. Then put the order number after you bought it. Enter the order number and activate it. After activation, go back to this car. Click refresh and it will be activated. Third. This step says, I need to choose this external speaker, because each model's horn is different. But my software doesn't know which is your external speaker. So, let's choose which one for playing. So I need you to tell the soft which speaker to play. Okay, then we'll start choosing. We need to choose one by one util, it has sounds. Let's skip the sound system that makes no sound. It will be selected here to show it playing.
有声音了.
Okay, let's find them one by one. Found this was the sound from outside the car. It was playing outside the car when we chose this. So this would be the loudspeaker for our car. Same with in-car playback.
有声音了.
Here it is. We play as speakers in our cars. And the language chooses the language that suits us. Currently supports simplified and English, Russian and traditional. After setting it up, we can go in. After entering, we can test it this way. First cut to this. This is the system. It will have some audio built in. This is the preview in the car, and this is the playback outside the car. Okay, let's click this button.
让我吧，谢谢。请排队，谢谢。
Okay.
Okay, then we found it's already good. Then we can go on. There's a loop option here. We tick the loop for it. Then he will play it on a loop.
让我吧，谢谢。让我吧。
Okay, so this is the module 1. If we think this is the built-in sound effect of the system is not very good, then we can add sound effects to the software by ourselves. How to add? Open this first. Here it is. Then click the button text to speech. One is that we can convert text to speech. We type in text. For example, let's type hello. And then you type it in. And then we select the tone. After that, we can generate. Then we can preview by click the button. After generating, we click this button to save. Just store it as our audio. It will appear here. When you click, it plays. The second is that we can record. Click to start recording. Then say something. Click to stop recording. Then preview the recording. So then it can play. Then we continue to click save. It's saved. The third item is the import of the disk. We can choose for ourselves. Click the select file button. Well, choose our USB stick. Then import it in. For example, I have now imported this. Select import. So it's imported here. Okay. Then we can directly shout here. And there's a floating ball. When we click on it, this floating ball will appear. Click on the hovering ball. Click this to shout directly. Speak directly.
Hello? Hello, hello? Hello?
Okay, let's move back to the desktop. You can also speak directly. Then we can also click this. Open floating added to hover ball. Then it will appear in here. We click it directly inside and play it outside. The second term is this simulated sound wave. Then we can test it now. First of all, let's check down of external playback. This is, do you want to play it outside the car? This is whether you want to play it in the car or not. If you don't want in-car playback, just make this 0. Then click the start button. We will not adjust some parameters first. There are also models here. Okay, let's start now. Then let's just step on the accelerator now. If you don't want sound in the car, just close it. Also, we can change the model directly. We can switch the model directly. If the volume is too loud or too low, we can go into this setting. You can change settings here. Volume, external volume. The volume of playback in the car is 50 by default. You can also set recording gain. Well, you can also adjust the amplitude limit. If you find your audio, play club card, you can make this smaller. That will be affected. Then for example, that playback is discontinuous. Then we can click this apply to apply amplitude. Applied amplitude. It will be based on your amplitude to refresh that audio. Then there are some language adjustments on the system tab. Some of them are floating balls function. Now this floating ball supports double click and long press. Then you can set what long press does here. Long press and we can set it to shout. Then long press to set it to back to the app. Double clicking can be set to return to this desktop. Then we can long press now and talk directly. Back to the desktop. Long press OK. Double click it and it comes back. Then do we support this external when driving? First of all, my car is a Depot SO7. So I'm in D gear position now. It is now in D gear. It's in D gear. I'm playing it now.
让让我吧，谢谢。
它是可以外放的。
谢谢。让让我吧，谢谢。让让我吧，谢。让让我吧，谢谢。让让我吧，谢谢。让让我吧。
Well, I'm driving now. After it is driving,
请排队，谢谢。
it is possible.
让让我吧，谢谢。
So let's try the effect of the sound wave. First, we turn on the external playback option. It can be turned on or off. Okay, let's start. That's all for this video. Thanks for your support.